some big breaking news coming in. This is coming in from the Madras High Court, where the judge in the Senthil Balaji case has recused himself from the hearing. Now, what we do know at the moment is that Justice R. Sakthivel has recused himself from hearing the matter. In fact, as far as Senthil Balaji's case is concerned, he was arrested today, and we have visuals of him breaking down as well when Senthil Balaji was arrested after ED raided multiple residents of Senthil Balaji for over 80 hours. Today, we saw ED now arresting Senthil Balaji, and that case was also being, or rather going to be heard in the courts today. And as of now, the big breaking news coming in that the judge in the court has now recused himself. This is a Madras High Court, apologies, where the judge has recused himself from hearing Senthil Balaji's case. This is Justice R. Sakthivel who has recused himself from hearing in the matter. Remember, as far as the Tamil Nadu hospital is concerned, that has already recommended a surgery, a heart surgery for Senthil Balaji, and that could have been one of the biggest arguments of the counsel, the senior counsel from his side. Shomit is joining us live on the broadcast. Shomit, over to you. Give us the latest update. Any reason being cited by the judge who's recused himself from the case, and also what happens next?
Well, just now we have received information from the High Court that, the sources have confirmed that Justice R. Sakthivel of Madras High Court has recused, from hearing Senthil Balaji's, petition, and now the matter is posted. Now the matter should be heard by the divisional bench because, the single judge bench has recused to hear the matter. So basically, what was the, basically what was the view of the justice, that is not yet known because, the judgment has to be seen, and what is the hearing was done, that is not yet confirmed by the sources, but it is confirmed by the sources that, the justice, the single judge bench has recused, from the hearing the, Senthil Balaji's case. And just now we have also heard that, mostly the matter will have to be listed before hearing from the divisional bench, that is just before the bench headed by Justice J. Nisha Banu and D. Bharat Chakravarti. So we have to wait and see how this turns up. But basically, obviously, Senthil Balaji will pray with the court that because the doctors have advised him to undergo immediate bypass surgery because he's suffering from some heart disease, and also he's because he have to that is the primary health condition. That is what doctors have advised him. So basically this is what the prayer will be. That is what we are learning from the sources. So will the divisional bench accept this petition? Will the matter will be listed or not? That we have to wait and see.
Well, absolutely, and that is on unexpected lines, considering, of course, the Tamil Nadu hospital also has reportedly recommended a surgery for Senthil Balaji. This is a habeas corpus plea which has been filed by his wife. Take us to really what are the claims of the petitioner till now? What are the petitioners saying? Because earlier we were getting to know that they were saying that prior intimation was not given to Senthil Balaji.
Well, obviously, see, basically, this whole drama unfolded after the matter was escalated to the High Court initially, later to the Supreme Court, and also, finally, Supreme Court a week ago said that, they will directly, that they'll directly foresee the investigation. So basically, after that, ED has intensified the investigation, and finally, after, searches, even at the Secretariat, Senthil Balaji's office, after the searches there, after, collecting some incriminating details and also incriminating documents, he was arrested today in the morning in the VRs, and after that immediately he suffered heart pain, and immediately he was immediately later shifted to the hospital. And at the hospital, after a few investigations by the doctors, they have said that he should undergo a bypass surgery, and that's actually a major, major surgery. So he's having no other option. That is what even the DMK leaders are saying. This is nothing but suppression. But this is how the center is suppressing the leaders. So basically, the prayer and the hearing we are yet to learn from the sources. But the prayer will be the same, that Senthil Balaji should undergo the bypass surgery, and it should be granted time.
Yes.
It should not, intensify the arrest process, and ED should give some time for Senthil Balaji to recover from the, ongoing problem of what he's facing right now, and he's admitted to the hospital as of now. So we have to wait and see will the matter listed before the divisional bench or not.
And that's of course a moot point. In fact, of course, we have some source-based information also coming in, as you're saying that far as this habeas corpus plea of Senthil Balaji's wife is concerned, the next arguments could be on the lines of his medical condition. But what happens next in the case, considering that the judge has recused himself? Any update coming in on when the matter possibly could be listed next?
Well, obviously, might be today they will obviously they will they'll ask for the urgent hearing, and because lunch motion, the time has gone to move the lunch motion petition. So the habeas corpus petition has been listed, and hearing is expected now in any time now. So basically, this habeas corpus petition will be heard, and on the other hand, this petition will also be heard. So we have to wait and see how this turns up, because it is not yet clear that now divisional bench will hear this matter or not. What will be the prayer, what will be the petition, because it will take some time to actually get prepared this petition. So because the prayer couldn't be same, so the prayer should be somewhat altered.
So that's likely to be the argument as far as Senthil Balaji's petition, rather his petition or his counsel is concerned. Thank you for joining us with all these details. In fact,